How would you like to get your hands on the ultimate side hustle that pays over $337 per hour? That's right, per hour. Hey, aloha, my name's Tom Gaddis, and on behalf of our launch partner, Paul James, and our entire team, thanks so much for stopping by this page. Look, when Paul James comes up with something, we pay attention. And when Paul brought his high-ticket side hustle to us a few months ago, we knew this was something we had to bring to our community. So inside this course, you're gonna discover Paul's simple method for getting paid $1,350 payments from local businesses. Here's the best part, with no cold calling, no hard selling, and he's doing it all in his spare time because he's using the power of AI to fulfill this quickly and easily. This is perfect if you have no prior experience or tech skills, and if you're just looking to generate some cash flow quickly. Look, I'm gonna turn it over to Paul and let him give you some more details on exactly what's inside High Ticket Side Hustle, but I know you're gonna love it, and I'll see you on the inside. Take it away, Paul.
All right, thank you for that introduction, Tom. So let's dive right in and talk about what comes with High Ticket Side Hustle. Now, inside of the training, you're gonna start off by learning how to identify the perfect candidates for this service that you can offer it to that will happily pay you on average $1,350. You'll learn how to make them practically beg for your help with this overlooked service that really nobody else is offering right now. And the best part is that you can pretty much have everything set up within minutes once you actually land a client. Thanks to the help of AI, this service becomes practically effortless to offer to your clients. And business owners love this service because it brings in a ton of extra revenue for them without them having to really do anything, which is why they're happy to pay you at least $497 and usually a lot more than that, which is why we're calling this the high ticket side hustle. Whether it's you want some extra freedom to work less hours at your day job, or you want something that you can start on the side but easily turn into a full-time income, or you just want freedom to not have to worry about things that you want to buy. Maybe it's, going out and spending some extra time on entertainment or time with the family. High Ticket Side Hustle is definitely your ticket to being able to do all of that and so much more. And right now, when you jump in on this introductory special launch, you're getting in at a special price that we've never offered before. And frankly, you'll never see it at this low of a price ever again. So don't delay, go below right now, click the button and secure your spot and get started on the High Ticket Side Hustle. You're not gonna have to do any cold calling. You're not gonna have to do any hard selling. You can get started on this even as a beginner because we have put everything that you need inside of this to make sure that it's your complete business in a box. This is something brand new that we've never released before, and we're really excited to bring it to you. So go ahead, click the button below and secure your special pricing right now before that price goes up. This is something we're doing as an introductory offer right now only. You'll never see it at this price ever again. I look forward to seeing you guys inside and cannot wait to see you get started with this strategy.